Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the 11th video of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this video, we will see how to use closed corner feature in sheet metal designing. So let's get started. Closed corner feature is located in corner group. Click on closed corner. The objective of this feature is to create a corner between two adjacent bands. There are two types of corner available. First one is closed and relief and second one is relief. Next we have to select a bands on which we want to apply a closed corner. In the next pane, corner properties. We can define the corner using these options available. In treatment, there are several options available by which we can create a corner as per our requirement. In the overlap, there are two options, closed and overlapping. In the gap, we have to enter a gap between the corner. Now we will see the closed and relief type corner. So select here closed and relief. Now we have to select two adjacent bands. So select these two bands. So the corner will be closed like this. Now we will see the corner properties. In treatment option, here open is selected and in overlap, the closed one is selected. If we select here overlapping, then the two flanges of the band will be overlapped like this. While using the overlapping option, we get here overlap ratio. We can enter the value between 0 to 1 for the overlap ratio. We will enter here 0.5. So this flange overlap the other flange up to 50%. If we enter here 0, then it will create no overlapping. If we select here closed, then it will create a closed corner like this and a miter corner option is available. If we tick mark this, then it will add a miter to the corner. Now we will see circular cutout. While using circular cutout, relief properties and legend are available. Depending on the treatment option, relief properties has different parameters available like origin, diameter and offset. In origin, there are two options, band center and corner point. Using this flat pattern figure, legend will be described how the relief properties relate to the corner. So first we select here closed. If we tick mark miter corner, then the blend miter is available. If we tick mark blend miter, it will blends the corner of the miter, which we can see that. Now untick this. We will define the origin of relief using these two options. First one is band center and corner point. If we select here band center, it will take a band center as a origin for a relief. And if we select here corner point, it will take a corner point as a origin for the relief. We can see the changes of the origin in the legend figure. We can change the diameter and offset of a relief using these options diameter and offset. Now we will see U cutout. If we select here U cutout, then the corner will be closed in a shape of U. We can see that in legend. Now we will see V cutout. If we select here V cutout, it will close the corner in the shape of V. And there are two other properties available in the relief properties, angle 1 and angle 2. We can change the angle by entering the value. Now we will see rectangular cutout. If we select here rectangular cutout, it will closes the corner with the rectangular cutout. We can change the parameter of the rectangle like length and width in relief properties. And in legend, we can see that parameters of the rectangle. Now we will see the relief type. If we select here relief type, it will create only relief between these bands. In corner properties, only treatment option is available. And in treatment option, we can select 4 types of cutout, which we have seen. And all other properties will be same as we have seen in closed and relief. Click on OK to apply this feature. This is how we can use the closed corner feature in sheet metal designing. In the next video, we will see 3 band corner feature. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.